Secret recipe of sauce meat bozi and an easy way to make bozi. The authentic flavor of Chongqing, fragrant but not greasy, salty and sweet. Prepare 300 grams of medium gluten flour. Water 150 grams, temperature 100 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 grams each of yeast and sugar. Mix well. Add to flour in 5 batches. Knead the dough into a smooth ball. Squeeze and knead more efficiently. Cover with plastic wrap and ferment for 30 minutes at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Next comes the secret filling. Prepare 200 grams of minced meat, 10 grams of green onion, 5 grams of ginger, 40 grams of soy sauce, 20 grams of sugar. Heat 30 milliliters of oil in a pot. Keeping the heat on medium, add the green onion and ginger and pop the aroma. Add the meat and stir fry to disperse. When the meat turns white, add 5 grams of distilled spirit. Stir fry the meat to dry out the moisture. Add soy sauce. Add sugar. Stir fry well and turn off the heat. Stir fry the meat to taste, and the soy sauce and oil are distinct from each other. Remove the meat from the pot and set aside. Add 50 grams of spring onion and mix well. Knead the dough and let the air out. Dividing the dough into 25 grams pieces. Roll the dough with one hand and rotate it with the other, just like rolling dumpling skin. Thin at the edges, thicken the center. Pinch first and tighten the crust counterclockwise upward. Pay attention to the position of your fingers. Tighten the dough about 1/3 inch at a time, controlling the rotation of the dough as you pinch. See, when you finish like this, the bozi is done. It's not very pretty, though. If you think it's difficult, you can wrap it in steamed dumplings. It's easier. Like a curved dumpling, the shape is different, it doesn't affect the flavor. If you still think it's hard, you can wrap it like this. I named him the clown. It's ugly, but it's also delicious. And of course, my favorite, the Wheaties. It's not that difficult. A little pinch on the left, a little pinch on the right, and you're done. We put the bozi into the steamer after wrapping them. Once the steam comes out of the steamer, steam the bozi for 15 minutes on medium heat. The bozi are soft, fluffy and firm. It's the clown, and it's delicious. Try it. You can use this recipe to open your own bozi shop. It's absolutely delicious.